In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage Jira tickets with Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, ask Claude to generate Jira tickets for your project. For example, you can type, "Create Jira tickets for a food delivery app." Include user stories, tasks, bug reports, priorities, descriptions, and acceptance criteria. Format everything as a CSV file for Jira. After that, review the tickets Claude generates and make any changes you want before downloading the file. Now, save the file to your computer and open Jira. Next, go to Settings, then System, and select External System Import. After that, choose CSV as the import option and upload the file you downloaded from Claude. Now, Jira will guide you through the import process. Follow the prompts, map the fields if necessary, and continue through each screen. Next, complete the import and wait for Jira to create the tickets automatically. After that, open your Jira project and review the imported tickets. You'll be able to see the tasks, stories, bugs, and other issues created from the Claude file. Now, manage your tickets by updating statuses, assigning team members, changing priorities, and adding comments as work progresses. Finally, continue using Claude whenever you need to generate new tickets, improve ticket descriptions, create acceptance criteria, or organize project work more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and manage Jira tickets with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.